In this video, we're going to put a belt on this electric power washer. All machines need maintenance, but I like these electric power washers a lot better than the gasoline powered ones. There's a lot fewer moving parts. If you let the gasoline powered ones sit, when you're ready, they're not ready. Well, let's go ahead and get the shroud off this so we can change the belt. Because of this wheel in the way, you have to kind of finagle it and move it around a little bit, push it backwards, but eventually you'll find that sweet spot and it'll just come right off. Once the shroud's off, we'll go ahead and put the new belt on. The previous belt was real old, real dry rotted, and it just broke. You can try just moving and pushing and pulling until the belt is on, and you'll get it on, but chances are the tension's not going to be there. The pump is going to need to be moved into position so the tension on the belt is correct. When you tip the machine up, you're going to see 4 bolts. So go ahead and take a ratchet and unloosen them so the pump will be able to move. On the outside of the pump, you're going to see a square bolt, and you'll move that out until you'll get the tension just where you want it. Belt tension is tricky. Too tight and you'll burn the bearings out. Too loose, you'll burn the belt out. I find if you have about a 1/4 inch of deflection on the belt, that's pretty good. Go ahead and tighten the bolts up on the bottom when you have the belt tension proper. That old belt made a huge mess, so we'll just clean it up with a shop vac. And that's it. The belt's on. You're ready for action. Well, I hope you found the video useful. And if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it.